Hello, little explorers! Welcome to Wonder Nest Kids. I'm Benny Bear. Oh no! My shoelaces are untied. Untied shoes can make us trip. Let's learn how to tie them safely together.
Cross your laces, just like making the letter X. Now pull them nice and tight.
Yeah!
Cross the laces, make an X, pull them tight, that's what comes next. Make 2 bunny ears so neat, wrap them round, what a treat. Pull them gently, 1, 2, 3, now your shoes are tied, yippee!
Hooray! My shoes are tied. Now it's your turn. Can you try?
Fantastic job, little explorers! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us next time for another Wonder Nest Kids adventure.